Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to yet another episode of Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Media, Deb3 Studio, and also Deb3 Events. Not forgetting our partners, Esports Zone. Whatever you see here is proudly brought to you by Esports Zone. All the balls, Esports Zone proudly deals with soccer merchandise, everything. Not only soccer, but every sports merchandise you get it at Sports Zone. Men's uzafaka lapha nama details as he always does. Our Sports Zone. Not forgetting also our friends of the show, Okuhle Designs. They've been with us since day one. Namhlanje the house is full sphelele. Sikhambe sadinga stable Chiefs need a representation. Amakhosi amahle. We've got Ireland is well represented. Inyu win nje abanye basezigipeni wona uthe njengebizo lakho uyabuyela futhi Suitman.
Hayi awukabe sharp ukuthi sigqoke Ireland asikwazi ukuthi aseyayilenda aseyistyle.
Oh, that was going suit. But welcome to Usavereza, ladies and gentlemen. Abamazi is well known as Usavereza. Hayi ele Beth ambona ukuthi singalidinga sifunele iboreni. Usavereza sithini?
Hayi sharp.
Umnandi. Ayabonga.
Happy ja abantu abasebevela kuDiwana sebe ku Premier itethabisana.
Happy kakhulu. A lot of lessons learned.
Queen
akuwela next to Usavereza umkhokheli yafa
asubizele ibhola le like always
le yaqasha umkhokheli umuntu avuke sithi bidlileme yakhe umkhokheli yena ubutho
avele mina I'm one person olamabizo wonke asebenzayo even ngathi unganike ibizo yona sesebenza but nonetheless welcome to Pass and Move. Siyamukela sijabulela just namhlanje siqhasiwe ngamakhosi amahle untutuzi kaThunqa urepresent ama team wonke.
Vele yinto ejinjabulisa ukuthi ama team wonke akubulawayo ubusavereza bonsambe samfukula lathi handu khona bese sibhaka
emabhelini lapho sesijikele khona
sathi hayi nje vela kuyinzi the team is back buye uzojoin ipanel bekunzima asimthethe vele kuyitsutsuru
siyabonga
but nonetheless izi indlu iphelele sigcwele kumnandi gent a lot is happening man ahle siqase sithi child endabeni over this past week Premier Soccer League yenze workshop. I think it was a 2-day workshop. We also the teams were represented. Angazi ukuthi lina beli represented mbani but ngiyabona uRust akuyamteachers ku meeting
umkandla
wena ukuthi yokido but team yakhe ka sefusona everything meeting la PSL being club licensing, safeguarding, the marketing, digital transformation, the safety, and also security. Ngiyabona uthandazana ukuwa flight okuyiclip nje. Engubonile mbona abantu bebebuza like relevant questions like mina engichazile kimi. Ukuthi ulomuntu angazi thungbe ngishomlana ube representing Ngezo yini. Uthe okwenza ukuthi ama fans engabuye ground ukuthi iground yabe empty from bevula amagate ngo9 up to 1 o'clock. Nothing happening. iPSL iplanani is it kuba kudala kwaku easy like issue like sisakhuluma ngayo kakhulu ukuthi udala kwaku easy kuyathi amagate evula ngo9 ngo10 qasa ama juniors under 15 so you know the under 15 under 17 under 19 so it was easy for fans to come through a stadium. I think that's what caught my eye from that question. Angathi PSL yona izayenzana ngingazi kini ngihle ngiqase ngamasuthu ukuthi wena from that issue ukuthi ama fans ahambe emagamini is it ukuthi iground level empty up to say 2 o'clock nothing is happening until ama team ezengene iground ichaye warm up ngo2 because ama team afika ngabo of 1 ngo2 engene ichaye warm up.
Yeah, I mean, I think lapha kube balandela back lapha uthi umdlalo lo udlalwa kanjani ngabo 1 kumbe ama-12 igame yayisiqalisa maybe ama-under 15 under 13 abantu labo besiyabona ama-upcoming stars yabo ama-young stars yabo manje right now hayi so umuntu uyabona ukuthi ngipha ukuhamba e-stadium ngobo 1 akula activity eqale yabikhona uzihambela ngo3 kungcono so I think i-PSL engadlala indima yayo ngoba kubethwa bayaqalisa vele ngabo 1 ama under 13
one ke sokulethi nje
ngabo 12 ibese beqalisa ama under 13 lathi ezama fans abesichaze ukuthi sibona ama young stars lawo eqala something yabo lawo wazi kula young stars lapha neAngel labo abafana bona ngokwabo bona abafana bajwayela iPF bajwayela iground bajwayela iCrowd yabo ukuthi lapha konjani yabo bajwayela ukha but as far as bengabafaki kuyabhora ukha la khona lo bangamisa lakho ukuthi maybe Highlanders versus Chicken Highlanders versus Bulawayo Chiefs so ngayimisa lana game awulandaba because iPSL
safarez ufuna uyithatha
okunye I think maybe ama PSL teams abalekela indaba zawo ukubhadala ama bookings ingathi stadium babesibhadale from what time to what time
Chebe singabhukwa ngani for that particular day
stadium sibhukwa for the
rest of the day
the rest of the day
yabe book day yonke
so they should make sure apparently they provide entertainment for ama supporters before ilokho ze qala sasijayela ukubona evening nge-half time kwangena uChomlwana efike eJack Bora we freestyle
half time
yeza kusela ama half time shows yikho abantu abacina besebekufuthi begijima besiyadinga izinje enkuphandle ukuthi half time ngiyakho
but indaba iqasa ngo early in the morning half time shows yes I understand like Lina and kings of half time shows Bulawayo Chiefs bekuhlala kugcwala nje
yeah I think there are a lot of contributing factors towards that because one nxa ungakhangela ukuthi khona eZimbabwe the economy is not favorable for somebody ukuthi ehambe ehlale ground from 9 o'clock up to 5 o'clock without getting anything esikhwameni sakhe abantu abaningi abasebenzi baphila ngokusebenza so nxa ngizisebenza ngasuke ngihambe ngo9 kuze kuyocha u5 ngibulela isikhathi esinganani lapha before we go to PSL so
alright
so okay
bemfuba umlomo ungawaqhubeki ukuthi let's say ngo10 ama juniors adlala e-stadium there is something that's happening e-stadium because I used to see sisadlala thina kudala wawusithi i-first ikuhoma thina sihlale ekuseni ngo10 uhlubone abadala abathanda ibhora sebeyinathi sebezosibukela i-build up yakhona kusiyacha u12 i-stadium is already shaping sesigcwele already because babekwazi ama juniors
yeah that's true angiyali khonokho kutsho it's a good and a noble idea to do that but nonetheless there are so many contributing factors. I'll come back to the economy as well now kindly ilokuzeni i-prize money which is being won at the end of the 34 games ezabidlaliwe emalini almost 150,000 so all those things are ukuze ama juniors edlala it's a cost to the team as well likhangela ukuthi lapha likhangela ukuthi letfukula khona kule malini so if iPSL ingathola a better sponsorship which is going to up the game emalini sponsorship esisithola sana it will become easy for the clubs to do that ngoba kade sibabe kwenza vele ngwilanders baphila ngokwencenga ngoBulawayo Chiefs bake ba relegate bengabhadala ama players babe kwenza so
chekili
so bephinde bethathe futhi imali yade futhi bethi bencengise kuma away games abazabahamba ukuyabhuka sebedlalisa ama games I want that to happen as well but iPSL ayithole a better sponsorship which can motivate our teams to do that.
I get that, Buto. You know why I'm so passionate about this? Want to see stadium being filled. Kade si island nxa ingekho. Kungathiwa bephence kule Chicken Inn versus efika abantu abayi15 eground. Akumelanga kube njani. Why kuyini esingakwenza ukuphendukisa ama fans eground not only for Islanders, not only for iBulawayo Chiefs but every team ibele like la kuzama last year ama shows i support base ipick up ile mbijana Chicken Inn so into ezana zingenzakala consistently ground also because I think liyana kwaku issue yokuthi iPSL yathi ama ground amoshakala before image proper eka 3 ekwenza ukuthi kungabi le any activity ground.
Juniors ayeke destroy ground.
Exactly, that's my point because uzathola kule issue lana activity nge half time ama players kudala ama players ayiwo aku first 18 or first 23 like these days ama teams ama players amaningana avunyela uchaye umap
yabona
is PSL avunyela uchaye umap ground engele bhora be do the activity ground.
And that's that point oyikhulumayo ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi khona ezweni nxa kuyi half time
you see
ama players akwanisa ukusala engakhambi dressing room abangekuzini bedlala eground manje lapho is like licala elikhulu libophisayo sixoshwa ngama ref labana kungitokwana kuvunyela uzokekhiwa namagate
iPSL
istadium nesana vele isi designed for that ukuthi even nxa ibe siya ku half time nxa lifuna singafi ukuthelela kuphela by the moment in time.
This is what I'm saying
but ayisiyo into engacontribute ukuthi khona why kungadlalwa ama game.
Inkinga ukuthi lana into zomuthile yazikholelwa kakhulu.
Omunye
yabusesithi umuntu ngasala eground yasale jikela umuthi.
But iPSL phela yala.
But iPSL yala.
Aso club.
So into ngisho savereza ukuthi nanga uzathola ukuthi laso umuthi omlana ebuzile umbuzo lwana uthi omlana I think wengeza. Into leyi ama fans ake abuye eground bra. Like uyakhuma issue economy but abantu abaningi ibili bengasipani bayahasla imali ebhora bayithu abantu ibhora balithanda
in support of mina ngihlala ngokuthi nazithi khona in everything ungikhathe ngaqeda ukukhuluma
bese uza continue
in everything there are two sides of the coin right putting aside the issue of the economy nxa ukuthi khona umntaka kaMasudu udlalela ama juniors imbini yayilendazo umba iChickenini let's say awiChickenini kwayilendazo of Zaham adla awiChickenini right kuyiChickenini idlala nye team imbimithi idlala Manyika Diamonds beyenze njalo elokuzenini ku eluveve lapha ngo9 sokule game uMasudu uzasukume siyabukela umntanakhe ngasuzekile ebhadala $3 lana because ufuna umntanakhe
yes
then uMasudu ngazethi ibhora umntanakhe lingaphela ehambe akusela ndaba nasisithola imali
exactly
understand
exactly
singakwenza khona khana abazali babantu because akula mzali ongafuna ukubona umntanakhe ethi mama namhlanje mama daddy mbebani ngisisi bhuti ngidlala kubani ku main arena buyani lizombukela babuya elibefe bebhadala imali sebebhadala $3 so ngibhadala $3 kule team enkulu yakho futhi edlalayo wothi ngiyibukele kuya increase the kuzenini if ama fans ground
exactly
so nonetheless besides of effect of economy kuyasincedisa ukuthi sikona sibe catch up. And coming back to the issue atukhuluma ngayo lana yama road shows, I think ama teams they've got that belief ukuthi khona they are separated to the fans. They have to try and find a way to address the situation ukuthi khona i-Islanders ibe lobudlelwano labalandeli bayo, iChickenini ibe labalandeli bayo, iChiefs labalandeli off the pitch. Singahlangani kuphela ebhoreni, sike sihlangane si-interact nje senza any other activity esifungwenza ama activities ukuthi maybe like these days kuyacleanwa zenze clean up campaign lama fans ethu sixoxa nje sihlangene nama players lami ngemboni player lami because abantu abaningi bafisa phela ukubona abantu abadlala team yabo la by so doing abantu la ayo i-Islanders lana clean lapha oyi Chickenini lana enza lokhana oyi iChiefs lana enza lokhana omunye umuntu uba lothando from that initiative if they can do this let me go and support them.
But I think teams can learn from Ibula Chiefs.
Mina I think so far i-Islanders ngesikhulume ngayo ama-fans ngoba ama-fans without ungayenzanga kuyagcwala estadium vele siyagcwala estadium but i-team esikhanyile ukuthi hayi iyazama but ukuletha ama-fans Chiefs i-Chiefs ngoba uzabona isenza even half time kabe kule singer what yayiyo ama-team angancenga labo Chickenini ndabo benika ama-Chickenini abo yilo bungabhadala laphana nelambe yakho ingasaqanjwa la uyangena maybe ucabanga ukuthi hayi ilambe yami izaqanjwa lo ingasaqanjwa but uyabusubhadala $3 nje
thina ama-initiatives ashap
uqala vele iChickenini mina ngwathiyamelana because siqala kwakusithi ungaba le match day ungaquna ugqoka ireplica yeChickenini yeteam la awuhambe two piece amahara ukuthi kwasuka kwavalwa elwani singabuza bona beChickenini
emenzisos oni ukuthi
so abanye yiko nje abanye laba basancengisa ama-fans njengebulawayo Chiefs le Chickenini thina singamabhoza i-Islanders vele ibhoza ema-fans
no even though
even ama supporters
ukuthi kumfazi uthi usuthethe umfazi endlini umfazi esekele ukugeza nxa sevele sethethwe
no, what I'm saying ukuthi i-Highlanders antsho i-Highlanders even though ubobona lo basidlala emandaba wabe ngani sikuhoma
I understand
singafika ngobo 2 kwabe sokugcwele istadium sesigcwalisile antsho without lo bengayenzanga ezinye izinto zabo lezana athi nayo siyangena sikhona we don't need ukuthi siyenze loba siyakufuza ukuthi kudlala ama-under 19 siwabona wajabo but sesithola ukuthi i-development sesibona kakhulu kuChicken uBulawayo Chiefs ngeke ngayilandela even ku D1 yabo like ukuthi half time la uchazeke what ngendlela abathengisa ngayo into zabo zonke kwabe ngani ku well planned Chicken uBulawayo Chiefs
ngike ngutsho ukuthi I asked this question last season iChicken ithathe trophy mbuza nje ama-fans in general ama-fans they expect that to continue even ku Premier Soccer League but now i-PSL ile mthetho evalayo ama-initiatives afana nalana ebelwayenza so ikusho mna debuza ukuthi PSL lizayenzani to make sure ukuthi kuyavuleka izinto njalo because like ama-examples esiwayenzileyo I don't see the reason why blocking ama-players ukuthi achaye warm-up e-ground. I don't see the reason why not having ama-juniors edlala e-ground. Aku-affect i-ground nje.
eZimbabwe angikwazi ukuthi i-culture kumbe kuyini kumbe ngathi isintu kumbe kuyini because it's like yonke into oyenzayo licala kufuze kulo boss okucontrola okutshela ukuthi yenza lokho what's the reason nxa ngakubuza basically what's the effect yabe khona ukuthi nxa isho ku half time abamasabu isale edlalile eground
exactly my point
what is the problem but
exactly my point
ukwenza bezixoxe kabuhlungu kanjani ngoref what's the problem because babexoxa ngoref abavunyelwe ungena eground
ngoba umthetho wePSL uyabusitsho njalo
and even half time after get lance likhiwe
umthetho wePSL that 15 minutes but back in the days
ama-ground khathi sesikhiweni yabona bedlala babedlalila bekholisa andina sikopa bona yabaqasa ngebhora
exactly
yabaqasa ngebhora thina sesingadlala ibhora vele
even nje i-Champions League proper European Champions League i-final ya uyafuna amalokuzini ama-players echayo e-warm-up egcwele eground
nakhona ashiza ama-supporters ajabula ukubona ukuthi half time ubona kuwomobani bezidlalela ukawathi ubani ukhona ebhenchini like back to the issue eBulawayo Chiefs antsho asithi kumbe kuthiwe kulo fetchi ukhona umuntu one uthanda umusic lebhoro ngani ufuna ukulilo but the fact ukuthi ungathi kulo fetchi la uzabuya la izo adjust ukuthi lebhora la aselithanda ngoba ulanda ufetchi but wena mawungamvala ngehalf time ukuthi abuye uzoperform look at South Africa benza amawudlalo Orlando Pirates o Chiefs tabuye uzola abezoperforma you know like la ubuyizo yandi ibhora but kukhana ukuthi kulozola kulo muntu ozabuyela ukuthi kulozola ufuna ukuyambona lwa
vele utshani lobona bungathelelwa ihle kuhle bube manzi te
akula
effect selingadlala even ama game from ekseni kuzoke chantambama akufi
so vele kahle ukuthi ama team wona sometimes mebayihlile kuzikhulumela lezinye izinto phela kunjalo lokho ngokungumthetho nje ukuncindezela ama team so ngabe thiwa bona ba le one voice bekhulume be raise issue
that was iko ngikhuluma nge-workshop le bebekhuluma ngakhona ngezinto zona lezi to improve that's why i-workshop lana it was very important bebekhuluma ngezinto ezifana la zona lezi
as it is the outcome kodwa sikwazi bazathi
outcome asikabe kwazi
akukhulunywa but kuphele khona
which is bad
because they don't walk the talk nje
I understand which is bad
because last time bakhulume ngakho like we have an issue for amanzi ansikhuluma ngelokuzeni manje umuntu uyabuye eBF ngoba kuthiwe amanzi athengiswa phaka amanzi avunyelwe umuntu angene lamanzi akhe you know ukuthi umuntu uzabukela ibhora from ngo12 kumbe ngo10 kuzokuyecha u5
imagine
no water no what
but abama-tuck shop labananti babe wathengisa amanzi futhi esemambodleleni so the same excuse yokuthi khona abantu bathela inhlabathi becha abantu akula excuse because ngizowathenga ngizathela futhi embodleleni njani so it's just like a matter of punishing each other
why bona ama-representatives ama-team angahlali phansi khona ku-workshop la ahlala phansi akhulume address those issues ukuthi abantu bayakhala uyakhalela umuntu ukuthi ngizabuya ngo10 umntwana wami uzaginqa lami ngifuna amanzi angiwathola amanzi ePF uzothiwa kula manzi what is that
let's hope PSL izalalela because those were the issues
and the other thing nabona athi yabona issue yotshwala yiyo yenza abanye abantu bephuza ukungena eground
bephuza ukungena
kayili majority of abantu vele ababukela ibhola bayazitshayela so imagine ungangena ngo9 uhloka nathi utshwala ungasabutholi phakathi elokhu yangikhona
and issue otshwala bake bakhuluma ngayo la season, you remember, if you remember, because I was surprised sifike
eRufaro
bachayi
uyakhumbula
eRufaro nje utshwala beyathengisa vele phakathi.
Recently I came across i-article kaThambani lo Chomo uSticks ebuza ukuthi kathi Islanders for celebration ya 100 years wayebengayivumeli injani ithengiseni utshwala kumbe ikhulumele ukuthi okunye mina I think i-monopoly ezinye izinto ukuthi abantu bafuna uku-gatekeep ukuthi kayisi njengengwebo ingwebo abantu yayihlala ngathi lesifiso sokusponsor Island but ayikuvunyelwa ngoba iDelta yanjani
conflict of interest
onyathi laba basavunyelwa benjani bakwenza phela ubuya bethengisa utshwala babo bezigubhu balaba no cream tartar
I think so conflict of interest you can understand but
into
ama super phela abo babuya bethengisa nama super nje besezigubhini zeplastic ama draft
yabona into athi Masuthu ukuthi khona ama clubs bona ade representa uthi why bengakhulumi ngendaba zamayisha
but I think they spoke.
No, the problem is that a relationship between the club's executive and the fans is not that proper.
Let's disconnect.
Bahambe besiyakhuluma izifiso zabo bona as the executive not representing the fans.
bona behleli
bona bahlezi ku VIP abakuzi ukwenza umuntu sempangweni. So they will come up with plans and resolutions which are going to
satisfy them.
Not fans.
So uyabona ukuthi ama clubs lawa lo mlando of connecting
to interact with their supporters. That's what is very important as a executive or whatever the board of the club. Let's interact with our fans. Here they
and try and find out
because aso sithi kwena unungubaba uthandibile sithi kwena nxa upheka faka ibilebile kula anjebona so fuzela ubona ukuthi kuyaphekwa kupha kulo zafaka eceleni ibilebile. That's the difference. But now nxa sekwenziwe khona kaba kuvumeleneyo bakuthi thumbs up to the PSL because yenze ama initiatives thina zonke sitakwenziwa ngalutho ngoba abakhulumanga esihlangana lapha
mana mbuyeki lina mbone bele representa mbona uClemens Matawo lapha lina as chicken ndikela khuluma in I know la useduze ono represent ama fans likela khuluma lini as chicken uthi okay right carry this forward to that workshop ukuthi sizwe iPSL izathina kumbe lana uMatawo uzihambele la isiyakhuluma on behalf of the executive.
To be honest, and ilokuzeni notice of this meeting came very short even for all the clubs. Abantwana sizotho khona sokule workshop lekhona mhla 6-7 sebenza sebekhona ngale sizokubona kuma social media la ukubonela ku social media akula umuntu okuka announce ukuthi khona kuza kuba njalo ukuthi siyakwazi vele mhla ka28 bekufuze kube le board balisele khona mhla ka1 so for on this one I can exonerate them baxolele ukuthi no labo bajunyiwe bengilanto abangayenza
but iPSL ayisozibe le workshop yama liaison officer
I
think that's where liaison officer comes in because officer works as a bridge between the club
and the fans
bakwenza last season this last season abakwenzanga so lokho kungena urota ukayenziwa kuciphele ngolokuzenini ngokheni indebele singazi nxa izakwenza
akumele
because I think liaison officer yiwa abangaba ama mouthpiece
ama fans anyway we are just hoping ukuthi outcomes our workshop azathinta ama fans as well because nxa ungathinta ama fans akula vele workshop yakhona is fruitless workshop yakhona yabe fruitless vele fruitless akula nto yabiphumile eloncedo so I'm just hoping ukuthi whatever outcome that comes out from a meeting workshop yabo lana izathinta even like even issue na le security you can't address issue of security addressing ama fans because you
major stakeholder
exactly
without fans very football is nothing who was it when covid
it's nothing
cars
ungela ama supporters it's nothing so so iPSL lo mlando of engaging with the fans proper like you were saying ukuthi ama liaison officers ama fans behlalela uphansi no chance lina likhala ngani izikhalazo zeni lizithathe kufakwe maybe ultimatum ukuthi maybe nxa siyafika uJune or next year izinto zifuna kube sokunje sokuprobe I think by so doing iPSL yabe progressa going forward and speaking about imatch le tukhuluma ngayo eCastle Challenge there behle bafaka ukuthi isimhla ka1 I think that one is now no and it was supposed to be on the 28th.
Another football event engafuza ngeclash we suspect ukuthi iyadraw ke eAlveli Stadium because abaka announce we are suspecting
kule official opening eChawanda then I think upresident uyenza official opening
so iChawanda isihle iyadraw isihle yabuya ya khambisa lokhu zendlana phambili so it's understandable it's football at the end of the day istadium lesana siyafunakala elizweni ukuthi sivulwe then amanye ama proceedings sengaqhubeka on the face but kimi bengathanda ukuthi over I program ukuthi sivele sihleliwe sesitshitshiswa yipi maybe nce availability ka president njengoba bafuna u president bekhona maybe yabe khona
you cannot override the IS office
yes yeah.
So no matter how powerful we are that we have to respect at least because he's always busy you understand so nxa ithole that opportunity discuss on eso so we can sacrifice just to move it by a day and give him that time
so igame lana iScotland le Dynamos isiyadlalwa mhla ka1
just a day
later yeah so
ayidlalele eChawanda
khona ngale
it should be Rufaro unless bengajintshi even but it to be pointless ukuthi baby say lokuzini eChawanda because labana bevele ba based eHarare ba based eHarare then the another issue Mighty Warriors we spoke about them iCOSAFA is getting closer ngengezwa ucoach uSithethelele sithi at least completely sakhuluma ngayo last week sikhuluma ukuthi maybe nce our ladies won't be fit because bebe inactive but I'm happy ucoach uthi they are progressing well training camp yabo is going well but mboni cry ngengezwa lawo khala ngayo ama players amaningi awe rentals but kulo chair omunye futhi uye rentals okuthiwa uyachova but kabizwa ku squad angazi ukuthi iselection yakho uwatchizelo because besikhala kuba sekakhala ukuthi omama asiba ibhora labo
commercialize
kakhulu lathi sabe singekho well informed ukuthi sikhulume ngakho ukuthi because siyababukela
because we only talk with those esibabona national team so ngazi a perform good engakaze bizwe ku national team we never know ukuthi kona they are being biased
exactly.
So I think ilokuzelini football mother board is also to prioritize the women in football because nxa bekhala ukuthi gender equality we're not seeing that gender equality ezweni yabona igame lovers le broadcast laba aba broadcast ku ZBC njengokuzenziwa elamadoda sibabone bese zikwakweni bengabe lenhloni lanti khokho esilakho eground wakhona asebenze khona kokhona sibone but okunye futhi okwenza singabe le good quality football igame football yabafazi is because ama games abo badlalwa ezikwakwena kanti ngo division 1
isikoko zakhona aziyenzi
baku Premier League abasebenzisa ama stadiums na lawa esetshenziswa OPF or Rufaro kwenza ukuthi nxa besadlala ngale because bazadlala elokuzenini ama stadiums are profitable and they give kuyabe kuyinto entsha and we expect a good result but abakujayele kithi kona then ukuthi kusayachinja ngale because vele level lizachinja but yabongani uya step closer a bit kuya kungconywana and usithethelele ngizwile la ikhuluma futhi about that ebonga nje sithuba liphiwe sithi the confidence zayin kulokuzeni ku claim ku team
camp
and they're going to try by all means to represent the nation and make us proud
we just hoping nje angazi saverize want to add on
ababanike phela abezimali zona ezehlala sizothola ziphiwa ama Warriors
yikakhuluma ngakho
akathi kuyini okunzima at the end of the day uzazokuthiwa bekucamp yakhona bekudliwa umfusho then you expect ama results yakuphenza vumbi
so ukuthi I think ukuthi gender equality even ipay
lama
pay and is worldwide but at least some countries are getting there
England abafazi England labafazi bemadoda England bakhola imali efana na
even America this what I'm saying ukuthi Amazon sebe level up kade ukuthi you see ukuthi ama
bengachiyana ku club level but ku national team
yes so gender equality is very important
kathi udoctor ngumfazi lo doctor indoda abachiyene
yafanana
so abakhona ukufanana
yafanana and ulini udoctor lo eBulawayo Chiefs umfazi and ku national team nguye futhi nguye emergency udoctor lona nguye eBulawayo Chiefs nguye futhi udoctor emergency so I don't see any difference lokhu zenza sikuzifa kathi umlando izifa yeso kumele make sure ukuthi ama-gents labafazi le standard sebhora siyakhwela abafazi bekwazi kule mali
asabona njengoba khangathi uMagwizi yathembisa utshintsha into eziningi asazi sizezwe.
speaking about uMagwizi andikuneli wamthembisa imoto
I doubt ukuthi uzayithatha cause andiyaso le clash of lokhu ze interest
bese mbuya khona ukuthi ngani imoto leyo uzayithatha.
Yabona inkinga ukuthi ubhuti uchivayo kakwanisa ukwenza into yakhe njengendoda ukuthi ekunika uluthenga abantu bengabanga ukwazi. Ngabe bekwanisa ukumnika nje ukuthi ayinansi sipho. Kungabile ukuze into emenyezelwayo.
The 50 bengibe kwazi.
Bengasiyamukela. But now nxa engayamukela use affiliated ku Boso, affiliated ku Scotland.
Mombe
Yaora. Yabona
the Avillion maybe they full battle the Avillion ingene.
Then
yabo ngeso ngani uyadiza.
Lokho kunescandal futhi eselokuzeni SMH fixing. Yabo and to wesi imoto yakho it's worth 250. Ibhasi ukuthenga ibhasi yathenga amabhasi nxa uthenga la ama 75 uyathenga ama 75 amangaki
4 3
angangu 3
3
nxa uthenga ezinye zama 200
250
ama 75 ama 3
kukwane lokho singathi
75
Island athenge emalini nge 30,000
la ndithenga emalini mdala
75
so engathenga ibhasi siya point kabani ehlala ikhala ngolokuzeni ngoMasuthu nsuku zonke ukuthi singasebenzisi ibhasi eScotland so nxa ifuna ukunika kathenga amabhasi amathathu
ebe izifa
awezifa khona
lo Magwizi la engamukeli athi hayi asithengeni ibhasi sense national team ngela bhasi ukuthi mina as a president uMagwizi ngithatha imota is pointless why list
yeah FIFA kana
so national team yehluleke ukuhamba yethatha ibhasi yalana Evangelist Square
asiyafa
vele yahle yafa lena
why list osivayo bona befaka imali ezingabe nika uMagwizi imali yeke lwethatha national sihambe ngebhasi eScotland anjabona ukuthi konke kona kuvele ukuthi vele ipicture yeZimbabwe football uvele kusuka uyilethe down because sometimes abantu bathi siya complain but it's not complaining. You can't give uMagwizi upresident imota 850 while sithina sigibela ku lokuzeni.
But into yakhe ukunika izimota le even siwalopha ngezikwereti ngesikhathi sikaPasu antu okwamnika imota emhlophe lana Pasu yaqina seyithathelwa futhi afterwards. So I think in his culture ukunika izimota.
Hayi not via sozama ulokhuzi.
Uqala ngaye uTagure yandla wabanika abantu amalokhuzi.
Ama captain.
Kodwa uthiwa ama players ahole.
No Tagure liyana aso
then why sponsor
why owner futhi sponsorship sakhe why holisa ama players imali.
Labana why sponsor vele.
Labana it was a sponsorship deal.
No.
Yayichiyena la le.
Speaking about amabhasi abantu yakhumula pha ngokuthi ikhona vele you can watch it uzijajele ama-fans ayile ndikhuluma ngebhasi we went around town asking what's your take ubona njani ibhasi sifikile mjana
Baba
enguwe le akula muntu othi sithi abajayi baba
sivayingwa lokuzeni indluku yabona inkingi lapha ewenzakale kuyinani ngabe uchivayo ube ngiyekho in person the reception was going to be different. Mana ngutshele why lapha abantu bebengajabulela ukuthi bathabele ibhasi lapha bezama ukuimpress bayakwazi uchivayo kwanisa ukukhipha imali but baba nomnyama kasakhipha ngamali bebefuna ukuncenga ukuthi ehlokoza ucela imali sesikhomeni sikaSivayo lapha
ethi nanko
kuyi20 nanko kuyi50 ukhithe kakhulu wangasayenzi njalo that was the reason
but alright
imali nje kulomo mubi nje
alright man
imali
ngiya understand ngiyayibona lana uchivayo khona but eClubhouse bengikho
kusokwenza ke sukowathaba vele uqaliseni usuyatshintshilana imoto yakho
eClubhouse bengikho eClubhouse yabuya ngochivayo kwenza lana
kulomunye mama engihambona ngicela ihug lo Chivayo what
lana yayisiyarara lana yayisiyarara mina ngikhuluma ibhasi sifike lapha kubulawayo
oyendova lana uSivayo uyendele yarara
lana yayindwa over yarara bamba abantu uyendwa over yarara yabe sibuya ibhasi yasibuya eClubhouse ibhasi tese eClubhouse Chivayo kakho ukukhulumayo
obviously povo bra people of various opinions sinje siwosisiwilelana ngento yodwa vele so abanye bakhona abayijabulele abakhona abangayijabuleli
ungangena ema-groupini mdala uyabona ukuthi hayi ibhasi yebo bangayijabulela abanye bamdala abayijabuleli it's 50-50 kwesikhathi abayijabulelayo is 20% mdala abanye laba
hayi mina khona inkingi yala khona
abanye labo bathekelana isidle
mina inkingi yala yazwanyala zavele
abanye mdala abasela power uyawazi ukuthi enye into mdala singayenzakala iloba ufuna ukuba rebellious uthi vele kuyabahlanya nje uzasala unjalo uwedwa but ubona ukuthi abanye abantu babona but ukuthi vele singaze siphikise singaze njani niko sokukhona kuyafana lento kaMororo mdala nje wonke umuntu ayithi aMororo uthe sekhona nje abantu asenzeni ngokukhona ngoba awula chance mdala ukuthi ungazi uyenzeni nje
into engikona yabisifana into engikona yabisifana lo Stepfather yazuthi baba
uyazithi baba kuphela mdala yabona exactly uyazithi baba kuphela
Helena
yabona mncane Stepfather
but Helena uzaqinisita baba ngicela imali yalokho
uyenza sha
kodwa ngeke ufike phela umvulela amehlo uthi cela $10
so
kayizi kungabanzima futhi kuyabuyela kuthiwe se phela lana lisinike yona
ayisakwana
uthinte something ngobenji oMororo is it a good move ukuhamba ezindlini because sizwile over the weekend uthi uchayito ezindlini zabafana efuna ucheck nje boys ukuthi just lakhona andakwazi kwesisikhathi kuqhakathekile ezideni babengakwazi maybe ince iculture yeteam ukuthi umfana team ayidlalelayo you understand
anjabona uMarwari uyenze iUEFA to UEFA building engikwazi ndala
IBA
yabona ngale they train to manage not to coach only which yena laba uthi ngikhafu iCAF ngo coach lokho labana they do player management. So if you want to do player management, you have to understand get the behavior of the child from where else. So if you get that behavior of the player, then you are now able to know what in Tidalo.
True.
I just came in and I have to see ukuthi kona uachi umuntu onjani. Uphila njani. So where can I get that source of information besides the thing coming in? Kumbe ebantwaneni bakho emfazini wakho kumbe ngaphi. So that I can get that information, so that I can be able to address you in the near future as a man-to-man. So I personally think it's a good initiative for bench because looking at ama players amaningi adlalayo ku Premier League izboto. Bangamfakazela bafowethu sibona lawo abantu.
Izboto nje wale.
Because besuka lapha.
Izboto.
Hayi thina siyazama ukuthi
ona kuchinjiswa.
Siyazama sikwanisi siya njani?
Siyazama izama nezibotwe
abantu talented khona kuba controller but we'll try by all means ukuthi sithi shy not to drug abuse and alcohol even the training kades value training yangona I think we vigorous lokanti now ukuthi ubunatha during off season ayazizisole uyatha uphindi endlela ozagijinga
problem isokona bona sisebiqasa ukunatha kusebele ukunatha utshwala even ezweni banatha utshwala after ama games but abanathi lokho ukuthi kona to excesses ukuthi
zikhona ezimo Grealish ukuzibona
okwenza wasuka ku City
exactly
ntshona kuyacost kuyacost look at Messi, look at Ronaldo they will tell you ukuthi kona thina sibambi because ansuze Ronaldo tukona ansuze nithi nithatha utshwala ngiqede nge training senza ufuna ukukhipha futhi what am I doing
but
Messi
chai wine
so ubenji I think is doing well abafana besebengamdlalela he might get good results even though the skeptical is he might get good results ngama initiatives afana lawo
in terms of behavior yes
yeah mina ngibona ngani
ngithi vile ground
mina ngibona ngani kahle ungalanda abafana nje usavereza ulanda abafana lokho abakwenza ku pitch nje kufana ukuthi sikwenza lapha nje ungasilanda ezindlini zethu you can tell our stories mawusenza indlela zethu masikwenza lapha sabe protect izinto ungalanda abafana uyamba uthi hey maybe umfana lo okwenza edlale so sometimes it depression even ubenji imanagement yokutsho ngobutho ukuthi is not a coach manje
is a coach
it's a coach but sesifaka umanager umanager utshona
ukuthi ufuna
you can manage umfana ukuthi uyabukwazi umfana lo maybe endlini uhlulekile imali yama chunks into yanje masumkhulumela la simkhulumela nje abombebe ukuthi manje aba train manje ukuthi but umfana uyabona ukuthi abandlala sitting room manje but kudala ngidlalela i-Island kudala ngidlalela iBulawayo Chiefs abanikeze imali in terms lami ngithenge something
Jongo kuyanothi iseze inika ama-play
esezenika abaplayer
bechinga bengasazwanani
sometimes abafana imali yogada bayithola nzima but in terms of ungamlanda endlini uyabo ukuthi amfalo ulala sitting room ulala esofeni umbulala phansi
Sumotivate
ukuthi hayi even understand even in the pitch ukuthi umfalo udlala njani
ukholi luthenga nombhedo ukholi lambolothi
vindo lendloti phela sungathi hayi lendoti hayi ngcono ikhulume lo coach indaba zero phela abaningi ba-rent berenta benjalo
that's why umbe befuna izapho
mastanda kasoze lalela istory sakho kuthiwa thina sesile 4 games singawini so asikaholi yabo ama-winning bonus lokhu esingakatholi but ucoach engabuya understand ukuthi umuntu lo uhlala la uyarenta ulendloti wakhe ngulo sebengakhuluma even bona personal ukuthi
bekukhulumela
senze njani lapha lendloti yabo
uyagcina useperforma
wena vele i-stress nasingaqalisela endlini
you can't perform
eground
you can't perform
ukuthola omnye kantsha umuntu ngesenza amafawulo othi umuntu lo yabona hayi kalalaka lokuthi uqamula kuphela ufuna ukuventa out engalayo
so page doing well
on that regard
so far
let's hope amanye amaloku sengafunda
it's not necessary ukuthi as the head coach you have to do that yiko kulabo team manager that's the purpose team managers to manage the boy on and off the pitch but the problem with this Zimbabwe they only manage you nxa kutrain la game off the pitch behavior yabo those guys they are celebrities they are representing the brand whatever they do kesho uthokona umfana wechicken inwenze so but ichicken was not ever involved kuma ideas akho wayenza lokho
and usubuye kuhle zibe semfuna kubuye
wakhangela futhi thina sike saba recently sike saba le iBlack Chiefs ngiyayibona ile workshop trade fair belokuzwa kube fundiswa ngokumanage izimali landlani ukuthi umuntu khathesi ezothola umuntu usayine nge20,000 25,000 imali yana eblow kusasiyabse khawula futhi uzokuthiwa uzibani ubonakala search umuntu ngale
a football player
ku-football player ukhona abanye bacela izimali emakasi ngala abantu abake babamba inkalakatha zemali but khathesi umuntu kokanti imali yankhona kaze ungathola umuntu owam-advisayo financial ukuthi investor in this and this and this yabona for instance wakhala abantu abanje abonyandoro I don't think ukuthi mina ngavuka kuthwakala mali because wahlakanipha but abethu laba
ikhona lokhwana ukufundiswa
umuntu uyakwanisa ukuthi ethi sesayiniwe ehlethatha imali April uzothiwa ukhatsha idolo ebhawa sedakiwe sedelela abantu career sinjani
sipheli weze umzekeliso wechikenini siwabonile ama-signing ama-new signings lokhu ebuya
ebuya
and umsindo lokhu siyaphambili ishe sikhulume ngayo last week former Scotland former abantu bakhala bathi kanti ichikenini kanti zamani wonke ama-players kanti kubulawa kusena ama-play but linalithile team yakubulawa lawo wathinga kakhulu nge-issue yona le what's your take on that issue
in terms of ukuthenga ama-players you buy quality you don't buy quantity
so kubulawa kula quality
no that's what I'm saying
okay.
You buy quality not quantity and you buy players which are preferred by the coach so that when engahleka ukuproduce ama-results you challenge him based on what he has acquired so when it comes to buying ama-players I don't have much of a problem on that but I can rest assure you that there are rest of players abakhona kuchickenini ababevele bekhona kuchickenini besides abathengiwe
all right
so bakhona bahambile omajika bakhona bahambile khona ngalo training
eKharibara
umpume bakhona baningi vele baningi but nxa ucoach engafika is a new coach has come in you give him what he wants instead of the ama-arsenals afuna ukuwasebenzisa so that nxa selimcharger lani sithi ndoda wathi sikuthengele lokhu lalokhu sakwenzela what have you done dololo sisingakwanisa ukucoach but lingakeli kwenza khona ukhana I can challenge ethi anzayini nithengele linikele ngangifuna ukusebenzisa bengifuna ukuya esikolo but belinganika amapheni okubhala so bengabhala ama-notes angikwanisa ukubala ngile ukubhala kumfelile so on that regard I can just vouch for coach ukuthi no or for the executive they did the right thing by doing what the coach wants even though lami nyabe ngekho happy about other signings but that's what the coach wants ngoba not everyone is going to be happy
yeah
that's true not everyone is going to be happy
true
but kufuze kwenziwe and ngenxa sokwenziwe sokufanele into mina engangikhala ngayo kuphela le nto lekhathi sokengikhala ngayo i-staff yikho engangikhala ngaso lokho ama-players I don't mind
like you told even kubulawa Chiefs ibulawa Chiefs ithengile but abanye abaningi ode babona is local boys that's why maybe nce abantu bengakhali kakhulu
Black Chiefs ihambe yathatha sila abantwana abasebedukile.
Is this what I'm saying ukuthi maybe that's why abantu bengakhali because it's local siyabona ama sign is local boys Elvis ngabala
okay
coach Black Chiefs man
John aswala John Nikatsina aswala
but coach wange
Nikatsina wakho ube coach laphi nguyayi coach iyantazi
wayichiya
coach yantazi
ebuya kubulawa Chiefs vele yena usengeza ama team aningi ku1
but it's a norm and everyone knows that ukuthi khona undiraya engasuka ku Dynamos nxa siya kwenye team uhamba lakho konke engasuka
that was my next question ukuthi
that's what I don't know ukuthi maybe ilanhlanhla yakhe ngomuntu wakhe but the funny thing is that most of those players nxa ifika labo ngari kabadlalisi but ebekhambela
bese my next question was going to be ukuthi all right Masud ibula ichicken insithengile abafana babe Harare ngabanga let's say asikwazi ukuzayenza kanti sizini yakhasathi undira ama results asabuya sebisile abafana bonke laba about 13-14 players outside ngabafana bakhe ama results abuya bese besithi ndodi chapans what happens to ucoach omunye obuya ezothatha over that team SABC because it's 14-15 players ngama player amaningi kakhulu
baba release and ba ku Scotland baba release
so yabona so icycle yana i-cost
ukuthi ukutsho ukuthi undirayo uhamba lama players angathi
ulabantu bakaba
so mala esehamba kophana nje lawo as a new coach uyathi uyabuya la u-start yanje but lo abafana bebuyelo bani lo coach lwa uthi ngabalandelani ucoach lwana
problem
khona
United scenario futhi ulokhu uzahamba lengayi the 7 esuka labo from Nkezi Platinum
esebu Cape
but lingananzelela khonapho sinanzelela most of those players ababuyelo ndirayo they are good ngadikela bona ibhora most of them they are good the problem ukuthi bebe ku Scotland abaningi bakhona i-chance yokudlala ku Scotland bengasuzithola vele
ungasho njalo they are good kundiraya not maybe
ukuthi
they are good kuye kuloko
we are judging based on what we saw previously emuva ngale because kade sesikababoni bedlala ukuthi bazadlala njani bazaperforma njani but nonetheless esehambile ucoach obvious what happens the new coach comes in the players remain
bale contract
bayasala ama players
le staff lesana
le staff sakwazi ukhanjiswa
but yabona ukuthi destabilizing i-rhythm team already ngepool yabantu abangayi
though with the history of i-chicken aso team exocha coach mid season most of the times they give you the rest of the season ingazi nxa ungaqasa kondirayo
but ungacheka ama championship winning team chicken bra isikhathi esiningi uMagayiva ode we were so proud ukuthi wa represent kale chicken sayazi proper kahle if you truly speaking Saveres chicken you can identify ukuthi chicken kale
basically
wena maybe badona nje beyithathe behle behambise Harare kawani into abayidonda
because tell you what chicken ngambe edlala eHarare bese basini isiphenduka nama players ayefuna ukuthi sale bona izimuli ibhasi ngaphendukile uMacLeod uphela
lo
abakhona ama players
dala ubuyela ama players uthi ama players 14 ufuna 4-5 ukuthi uyenze best squad
but kule 23 years big one
yikho phela ngutsho
it's about 13 players which have been brought in from chicken
so ncebele 13 zakhe azithengile kumele zikwane vele first day kumele zikwane i13-14 zakhe
inkinga ezakwenza ukuthi zingakwane khonapho yikho kuzakwenza ukuthi zingakwana zonke uyaluza ama fans you lose ilokuze nini
this is what I'm talking about this is what I'm talking about
already chicken nikudonsa nzima phela nabona kungathi ulama workers kuphela
yabona inkinga khona right now we are trying to build defense base chicken
this is what I'm talking about
initiative we are pushing forward so and you come in and you just throw in everything and it becomes a new everything the captain becomes new
This is what I'm talking about.
becomes something which
Exactly.
is
Why I raised this? This
So I don't know. I don't know. I'm not a coach. Ufokoza, I trust you've got that ideology.
Yeah, Ufokoza.
kodwa abuthoza thina ntsha wazi thina sathi soyi-2 sathi ipatsha lihlohlo kodwa uyakwazi ukuthi thina lapha kobulawayo better support ibulawayo Chiefs than iChickenini khona ufuna sokwenzakala kule 13 players from there yabo kokhana kuyabulala ibhora bona kuyabulala abantu
but yakwazi Masuda, I think ibhora is meant to unite abantu
Kakhulu.
singa-support ibhora on tribal lines
atribal lapha
as-tribal but uyakwazi ngithini kokhanti yakwazi into le ngeke yayibona yabona kusheshami Shesham kwaba nomsindo usweswe ezehamba useswafika waxotsha abafana bonke abegwira wabuya labafana bakhe beblawana abegwira babeseli waqayisa ukusupport ejani
i-team
and ayingenanga futhi ayingenanga ku-premium akathi Shesham lokhu ikubani
U1
into ayichoyo yani ku-right sibili ukuthi sometimes umuntu ebela kufunakala abantu abangathi balama-values ani
e-team exactly
ama-roots from i-root level but sometimes abona uhlupho uyathola ukuthi all along iChickenini ibisenza abafana beblawana maybe badiscover something
but besifighting relegation
besifighting relegation ingela result
yabona ilokuzenini into ekhona kulokuzenini eBoreni singaphikisana lami kancane lapha kulokuzenini kwindaba le ukuthi khona right let's say sethenga ama players awokobulawayo ufuna iChickenini ufuna ukuboost up and buy 13. Give me good 13 quality players abangikho contract abakobulawayo ade singabathola akula. So we need look at Antipas when he came in 2015. He came with the likes of Matao, the likes of Pasmo Penat, from Harare, the likes of Oshirambadare, the likes of Katswairo, and that team sparked. Yahlangana nabantu abavile bakobulawayo. So what the coach has to do right now is to make sure that there is unity and cohesion amongst the players. You are not here, no one is here to take your position, but you are here to fight for your position. Semsebenzini. Akula mngani la. Semsebenzini. So asedlaleni ibhola. Engayenza njalo coach will win the players, but the moment engatshengisa ifavoritism uthi lo yibe mbuye lapho. Laba bembuye lapho. Sekuba problem.
Yiyo imistake esibala eZimbabwe.
But Antipas did that and he won the league. He did that and won the league.
I think eZimbabwe yimistake eningi. Like example is Shesham. Yimistake esibalayo eZimbabwe kakhulu.
Akuna problem ukhamba lapho.
Look, it's not a problem because you can easily integrate.
Exactly.
She says Zimbabwe, so it's Zimbabweans. But the moment you're in a peace pan, ungabisa 15. Ufika upike 15 ngapha 4 already
udliwe mntana
i-disconnect lama supporter yonke into akusaphumi yiko lapha evidence yakhona omunye obuya sebuya ngemva kwakho sebuya seqalisa because eZimbabwe ngananzelela most of the time i-recycle anabona ukuthi umabhezi bese umabhezi lo uhambile umabhezi uzafika kuScotland ufuna bakhe asikhuluma ukuthi whatever ube indawo
le problem but I think mina undiraya yena abantu bakhe uyabazi ukuthi maybe baqine ngala ngaphi bona laba abanjani abiye lapho so zaba khona i-situation manje yenye efani ukuthi uthi ungucoach ususayinelwa ama-player ngumnikazi we-team njengayelani wathi kwakuthiwa hayi uzibani ngokazi uzibani wabizwa mbani.
But let's check. Let's be serious, guys, and be frank. Let's be serious and frank. Ibhora these days. Emazweni la kubekuyenzakala khona lokho. Uzisayinela. Bekuyenzakala ucoach uMourinho nxa ehamba. Ubuya labantu bakhe. Ubani nxa ehamba ubuya. Ingamlaza sezikubona no into le iyabulala ibhora and iya keep it connection le team. Base besithi mdala. Wena nxa ubuya buzocoacha ucoacha into ezikho nxa ungakwanza ukucoacha vele nje siyakujumpa lokho ukuthi mbuya labantu amaba yi15 kumbe akusekho lokho uyabiza ucoach uyaqhashwa mdala i-team isithengile ebese identify yes you understand
because iChickenini yala season yanani on paper it was very strong.
Kakhulu
on paper it was very strong. Ibe besehleka just ukujela kuphela ku field. Ukuthi kona if somebody came in ubezafaka ama touch ups here and there. There are certain players abasukile ku-Chickenini when you talk to them okwenze ngasuka mina ukuthi vele ngiyakwazi ucoach omusha nxa ebuye ubuya lama players not because ukuthi khona
you understand you see what I'm talking about that's why must you understand
they need game time and the moment uswele game time it's not all about ukukhola phela emebhorini because ukukhola of course ngakhola but la ngifuna recognition
umuntu ufudlala
ngifuna ukubonakala
umuntu afisa la ukudlala phansi
vele kumele umuntu adlale so yabona issue ukuthi it's not all Zimbabwean issue into ethi yenzakala even world over wase kunanzile is slowly changing coach sebebeya bezocoach because iculture ungathatha team nje Manchester United ukuze be successful ibithatha i-development coach baqala ukubuya batshintsha kanti sebefuna ukubuyela ku culture i-team nje ngeHighlanders ibiyaziwa vele nje amajezi maningi kakhulu
ekwathi enye into mina ama team I think amanye ama team into ebhayizisayo yabona ama team amatsha ala special asika ku D1 into yabo yokuxotsha coach labana bengangena ngangwathi into engazitotshwa njani mina sikithi siziqhakezela but thina I think vele kuzaba nzima ukuthi siluze momentum ngoba ucoach esibe laye sisukela kuba
T1
so aba edileyo eteamini ngabantu ade babona ukuthi silekhalala la
so icontinue it
so amanye ama team vele amanengi kumele expect induku ngoba mbona ukuthi sizabe simile
manukithu isiqhaze I think ngikuphendula khona bantu nxa ungastarta I think kuthiwa the laws of leadership one of them is 21 laws of leadership when nxa ilokuze nini istage singakhwela you have to change certain things so sometimes the level ikubona even sometimes uthisha usukela ku grade 1 asihamba la ku grade 3 because sokuchinjile icapacity sokuchinjile the demands sokuchinjile certain things so if unfortunately yini kunyikadzino ngiyade vele ehlile waya phansi ngestandard sakhe vele siyavuma ukuthi ebephezulu yabo so that's why they continue like but most of the coaches they're not qualified to coach senior level ukuze kuya level so uyabe usuyenzile umsebenzi wakho wafika lapho sokufuna khona umuntu le degree wena le O level lo form 4
sokufuna umkoma bench
sokufuna umkoma bench abafundi khona yabo so by so doing you'll be moving along ukhamba lama needs of ama demands wena ungathathi ukusithi ungapheki ufaka inyama ezimbili emganwini ubukwana lathatha zizimbili salikwane lazala salikwane selingezelela but lingayala lisika when that same support alisasuthi so ukuze lisuthe kufuze njani liqhelise that
and meet the demand
so that's the purpose of doing that I see ukuthi babe senza movie they need to meet the demands
mina ngilosa vereza khona ngani ngiyakuphisa kancane Buthosi like usuke wamtrya yini ku D1 because angeke atshone ngucoach ka D1 uyathola ukuthi lona vele umuntu is the best coach just because ufuna ukubuya le team from D1 to Premier achaye futhi ku Premier but just because ukuthi ule mentality uloko ingqondo ukhana ukuthi akuDI ku Premier so ufuneka a new staff a new style a new usumlahla
umbambe
kuhle as long as is qualified
kumele ama qualifications
okwabo
cafe
because you told me most about D1 like you speak of example ka Chisa Ungozo is a good coach brilliant coach engangenisi ikhathi sengangenisi kwande
akasuye coach
akusukuyabuya umunye coach because of maybe ngabengakaphi paperwork so issue liyana sayisakhuluma ngayo
ama team umele funde ebhadale ukuthi andiyabona ama coaches lana I think mina isifiso sikhona but imali ama coach lawa
staff development sefunakala kuma teams
those teams should support their own
they must invest in coaches wa
esikuthi ukuthi ama team afundise ama coach aba bebe lama qualifications
bazalibele Spain
asikhambisile babishikele
hayi mbuzo njengoba behola phela Scotland bekwazi bhadala
so ichikelile ya develop ara stories
yenze ama 2 pieces yabonana
ama team ngambona ngalimela zihambisela abantu for ama qualifications ku CAF what like uluphahla yabona luphahla so hotel 1 yabona manje uthi
exactly engela CAF wamira kuphela komsebenzi wabo lapha I think wayelo mathi mbambani bahle wagijima
bafunda
so okunye futhi lama coach la bazenzile bengameli ukwenzela because wena
nxa ungela mali
but ngumzingeli bra
no I get it but nxa ungela mali like you were saying ukuthi nxa ungela i team uyabuhola but ingakwani
so
Uyahola, but
usiyafunda utshiya abantwana
akuvumi
athola imuli engasekho
nxa ukuthi imali yesacrifice umfakele kubudget andikho khona le budget elikhuluma ngazo
Siyabe ukwazi uzathola enye imali.
I think
kunzima eZimbabwe phela noma imali yakhona ungayibeka
ayikwani vele.
ungayibeka kade
Sasemasinyane.
uyayithola
you understand. So I think moving on, gents. I think last issue that we can, I want us to touch on, Sibonile sonke. If you look at Drake, I think it's Drake for 3 or so weeks. Hunters. Hunters being an ifun tengisele Harare City kwaba ngane ku njani njani, but at the end of the day iqini tengisele ingombe yawora. I think this is now official. It's now official. Yeah. Ibizo, I think is bakona so change. I think they change to, I'm not sure which name will they use now. But now the issue is ucho mna ukore lwana umnikazi we Hunters. Sebemphatalile imali. I think everything is now sorted. Inyungu sephiwe. Kulabo chom abangenisa team leya. Bebakoluda since I think October. Ababhadalwanga ama-salaries what i-team isingene abantu bebe-expect ukuthi because nguye futhi wayikhuluma wathi hayi anithengisi i-team zanjani siyangena la siyamuva layo but now i-team sethengisini otsho labana amanye ama-players because a lot of things are going to change, gents. I-team nxa isitshintshile i-ownership ngapha kasafuna ukuba clear izimali zawo. Libona njani indaba yami?
laphana ifaza sike ngena khona
Mailing ingene.
ifazi mele
ingene.
kodwa laphana into engiyaziyo mina ukuthi otsho umuntu abana azawura into ebuhlungu ukuthi umuntu ekukoloda uphinde uxotshwe ngcono phela uxotshwe usubhadele la uhamba uyedinga ulana
Ule something.
ngoba khathi yakwanisa ukubizwa kuma-trials kuthiwa suka khona le kumbe emarondera kumbe kuyini buye wange awulavi le mali yogadi yabuya ngani
Exactly.
gcina iplayer uzothwala itshontshile seli-24 iplayer zifuna ukuya-raise imali yogadi alambe kuma-trials so khapha ukuthi entweni ze-social yi-welfare yamaplayer le. I think i-PSL la imeyiqinisa isandla khona.
Okay, I think ama-players phela nomsebenzi lokhu khona because anti uthengise i-franchise kathengisanga i-team.
I sold
I-team. Uthengise konke le team. Okay.
What wathatha i-case?
Mina ngoba ngesikhathi ngimbona bemi-interviewer bembuza besihlezi sithi khona eMash West mbe ngaphi lapha okhona le esithi bongaze kube le team esibuye ngapha but financially something like that ikongani ukuyamhlukumeza but nonetheless konke sokwenzakele you have got 600,000 is a lot of money bra ekutheni you can even use 100,000 to clear izikweleti zabantu labana I doubt ukuthi zingadluli 100,000 beku division 1 so nxa division 1 imali yakhona yabincane kakhulu just pay people, eat your money.
Ingavuba greed.
Ingabi greed.
Iphunga greed.
The moment sebesiya kufazi, the moment sebesebenza iFIFA.
Iyaphuza ibhadala imali
eningi. So realize ima contract akho imali yakhona bezingahambelani. Ethi ubhadala imali eningi.
Bathe ungabhadali na ukingezi khayisa ayababhadala.
Bayekela ukubhadala nje.
Bayekela ukubhadala kube ibhadala.
Bese bebanika ibhani.
Mazulu la isithule nje imali kaNox ayibhadalile.
I-Arrows.
I-Arrows.
Bakwenza.
So
because bathi FIFA yathi FIFA ban nxe
3 seasons.
No, iFIFA ban ayiliftwa phela nxa ngalokuzwanga.
Bakunika 3 seasons.
I3 seasons zenze ukuthi ucompile then sebenza kuchanga phela ngenkulu.
Oh.
Ngezokuthi ucompile sebenza kuchanga ngenkulu.
Nxa ungalokuzanga.
Nxa ungaso compliance ukuchanga ngezwayo. Ukuthi akukabe le club engalukuzi.
Le ndawo neyaqina le yaqina ibhadela imali kalokhuza lena isibambisa iCosta.
Lenda zebhadala imali
babhadala lenda yaqina clean uchiva awuclean.
Hayi ngithi leyane yakhumbula leyane kwakumbanda kwakumfathi Masudan
Yakudala.
Efuna ukuthatha iCosta.
I think ba clean.
Ba clean. Ayenda sofa mbonto
kwaukhaya ukuthi
izikwele zelinda zisikhoneza bona
lebhasi enkulu lifuna ukuthathela iCosta.
Ingozi kuphela kwalenda ukuthi bengayekela useklithe lokuze termination contract kalokuze nini kaSenoma ebese siya phambili lase ungaba le
I think that one will be secret because la ngendlela engamuze ekhuluma ngayo
ngokukhuluma njengomjida la
I was so labo bomele bebe professional to la so lo Hunters lo Gore
akabhadala abafana
izimali selayo nje
umfana lona kangathi wahlwa bonke vele lapha phakathi kunzima la wahlwa ahlale ephuma ephezulu Clifford Clifford anto wahlwa kuba ngo-assistant
ungezi ayilona wayesebonile ukuthi vele team le encimephi umbe enceba mtsheni
coach wamtshela
encoach wamtsheni wazohlwa upgrade umfana lona amaphepha kani wathi mana izihambele kungizi wathi wabona ukuthi lapha isachaya la so ilokhuzeni imumbe yawura on that issue yathi ibingane nje esozitshintshe ibizo le-FC Hunters and izasuka yona kubase yawo be lapho imumbe yawura ekhona be-upgrade even i-stadium labo mbone ngani ku-ownership yabemaphepheni bachintshile something kwenzela ukuthi uScott engabila I think yabe lapha labe mancane bengasala I think ngasela controlling
because yinto engathi siyistory
yayiqinise waqine setshintshiwe amaphepha
but abantu ayikuthi yazi
but umuntu ofakiweyo still
abantu nje ukuthi nje sometimes babe ngathi abalokhuzi kumbe into ze marginalization kumbe njani because let's hope scenario yakhona isozifana nele ZPC lokuzende
yathengise limozi
because now we're expecting ukuthi Bora is going to finally come back here
Ewange that reach Ewange probably
nje abantu abale mali bebha bezalungisa ithara landlani
be that side
be upgrade the infrastructure Ewange manje
labana bacila bona bathe maybe ncebe nga-owner up to what they say bahamba khona ngani belungisa le stadium bedlalela bekhona ngani but ibizo bengani kuthiwa besebezatshintsha to i-FC Hunters
imombe yawona
bebengani ibizo it's not I don't think it's not yet finalized in terms of ibizo but a lot of things have changed in terms of paperwork lan that's why i-franchise line igcine isela through begcine bekwanisa ukuthi things
ama red pairs ayala le mali yakwa Harare City
iHarare City abantu bathi hayi imali yaneningi besithi that was the last issue sesiyivala finally coach try iHarare City esikhuluma ngayo ungikhombise ngeHarare City utry sethwala izikhwama I think it's a good move ebalekeli inhlambo Jesus let
akahambe relegate
hayi but
utry vele
exactly
utry was never a good coach he was never
utry uma usuzazange samnika isikhathi kungaphi lapha abamnika khona isikhathi owanikezwa isikhathi wa relegate ama team utry phela ihistory yakhe ngokurelegate mntana some Verez
I just feel like you may coach laba nangikwazi
okay sithele Verez sithele uwodwa sithele team eyodwa utry wena wayibonayo ukuthi hayi wazama ukuyilifta
athi try kwanke kanje ngihamba
ngikhumbula but into yodwa futhi beyazi ukuthi akulanto
uhlele try mntana
akulanto enzima njengocoach Highlanders
uhlele try
mina into engikukhalela nje ukuthi at least utry
yiko phela umafazi wathi even Jesus cannot coach
beyimzwela ukuthi ukuthi at least asehambe ephumula maybe encinci ngale uyafika yenza something better because ama resources eHarare City ibingani
because omnye umuntu bakwanisa ukumphika kibo efike ngale beyinkosi
exactly
so asazi hayi
ukhambe 21 games kumbe 20 games engadliwa ngwa-Highlanders bemhlabela uthi sedliwe 2-3 games baba laba basupportile
wamajike dudes
hayi no
but ubhenjuza abahlanyisa ubhenjuza liyeqhiza
no
ubhenjuza
asiboneni ngesandi
sande kule game sande la bephulawa eChiefs mntana
eDynamos
uzabona ukuthi ubhenjini
anti uzathi sandi then after
bale camp eMalawi manje
bezabhadala ukuthi behambe eMalawi
manje bebuya anje waze eMalawi ngale bena babuya beqine
akhona ama teams
kale eMalawi kongobhenja
onyasabhuli hayi labonyasabhuli
yena original I think yena ngumZimbabwean yena but umdala I think original amaMalawi yiko sithi nxa bebuya bevela ngale phela eMalawi abantu yakwazi
eMalawi
abantu yakwazi sesiyivala
ichicken indaphana izibitha championship la ihamba la eMalawi
usufuna ukuconfirma into yitsho ukuthi Malawi
Malawi seyihamba soon after ukuthatha ileague
that's why they did win with Champions League Malawi
is Zambia
Malawi uthala bethe buya ngalo umkhoba page akutsheni wa anyway guys I think Savereza somile ubehlala ukhona nje always sizizwa ama viewers ukuthi bathi nje babe ukuthi bekele ba impressed ngaSavereza
hayi baba impressed yabona lo Savereza
wesibulawayo Chiefs
upamasa ukuthi Bulawayo Chiefs siyathatha
hayi
Wabona-
inkinga ekhona ngebhulawayo Chiefs Savareza kade kumele batshele
mina ngithe siyabuya silikhukhula ngesifunguzane esifike
ama-giant killer
ama-giant
uyabona osavereza bona kumele besitshele one thing betshele ama-fans one thing antsho ukuthi bakhona so far ku-league for ukuthi behlale not ukuthi bebuyele emuva
athi uzogwetshisa
this time around
njalo lingakhulumi kakhulu Savareza ku-social media yazi niyaligudu ngani ngabantu be-menu liyabulala kuma-social media lo ngamamojo wenu lo wathi
yovele ngiyisupportayo mayona le
so ubhora likuphisa
into ekhona namanye ama-team afunda into eyi-one nge-social media social media mina I think yiyo futhi esiyasidosela amafeni
It's a
even
good
i-marketing yethu becomes proper kusebenzisana
i-social media kuhle
people
kuhle
should advance
yes thank you
with times
not ukuthi
Thank you,
iyayilenda
lokho si 1926
1926 but you don't have anything to show for it you 1926 uthini njalo
Bale bus.
last season
Wasiyangena
last
mfowethu,
season ladlala 34 games la wina 7 games hayi angisho lutho but
ngama-states
Ngama-states.
into ezikhulu
I'm just calling a spade, not a big spoon. Yeah. So
asule wayivala asule wayivala
impemba nti izakhala sizaphinda sibonane masuthu
mhla ka6
ayikho ngithe
impemba izakhala
yikho ngithe masuthu let's have Savareza for good butho or kanjani and is complete Bulawayo Chiefs chicken in Highlanders ubulawayo sephelele so sikhulume ibhora laseZimbabwe sivele sinjani simelele ubulawayo siphelele mdala make sure you are here
asibonane mhla ka16
I'm after Frank iJaros Chiri
Jaros Chiri mi sabona masuthu uzabulokhe sale
thina iJaros Chiri lokho akavela sikhuluma ngakho lokho asiyakukhula
mhla ka8
mhla ka 8 league 8 months
Bulawayo Chiefs
hayi mhla ka16 anti
after
Monday
seshay postmortem elokuze so kuhle ngoba uyasithembisa ukuthi ukhona I hope the viewers will be happy nge-contribution ka-Savareza I'm born to say ama last weeks sihle waqedile let's call a spade not a big spoon
it is important to invite people for igame mhla ka 15
yeah please, yes
this is a charity event
it's for a good cause
it's not to the Battle of Zimbabwe no it's basically to help Jairus Chiri. Let's be there for Jairus Chiri. Let's come with our $5. Bring your kids, bring your friends, bring everyone else. Just support Jairus Chiri. La ukube lento enhle oyenzileyo umnyaka uqalisa ukuthi la ufaka isandla kwabanye abantu. It's just $5 to be there, and I assure you ukuthi kona for sure Highlanders is going to win because akule nyenyawe ngisupport.
On that note, please, you have heard from Ubutho. Come through abakwanisa hlanganeni e-BF mhla ka-15 is for a good cause, just $5. I-VIP if you need 10 whatever, but ngapha kithi ukuchaza khona it's $5.
lamanzi mdala sicela ukuthi befaka amanzi basivume singene lamanzi
let's hope isizini le issue le let's hope isizini le issue le yalose but otherwise ngamazwi kaSavareza let's call a spade not a big spoon. We're out of here. See you guys next week. Ciao.